Hi, welcome to Shuttle Computers booth here at InfoComm 2026. We have a small little form factor computer I want to talk about today. It's called the NE10NH. Basically, it's a very, very small media player, as you can see, compared to the size of my hand. You're able to run Intel N100 all the way up to N305 processor on these. These also support DDR5 memory, and it's a great PC for anybody that's looking to do like digital signage, run some basic lower, less intensive kiosk applications, or just a daily, word processor, internet browsing PC. Again, that's a very small form factor. You do have the ability to also VESA mount this behind a monitor, so it just keeps your workstation very clean and tidy and clutter-free. If you want to learn more about this PC, it's it's a newer offering from Shuttle, and now also available on our online store. You can check it out at shuttlecomputers.com.